Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to be seeing how you can create your Stripe account through your PC. The first thing that you want to do is open any type of browser. Here I am using Chrome browser. After opening your browser, click on search bar and then type stripe.com. Click on enter, which will now lead you to the official website of Stripe. Now you can see a sign in button on the top right corner. Click on the sign in button, which will now lead you to the login page of Stripe. Here we do not have our account, so we are going to sign up for account. Simply just scroll down, click on create account button, then it will lead you to the page where now we can create our own account. Now simply just type in your email, your full name, and create a strong password for your Stripe account. After doing that, choose your country and simply click on create account. A verification code will be sent to your email. So click on open Gmail. This button will lead you to your Gmail account. Now you can see Stripe has sent me a notification. Click on it. Then click on verify email. Now you have successfully created your Stripe account. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you so much. See you next time.